Hello, I'm going to show you today how to use the Alpha Control Hub. I'm going to pair it to this iPhone, and to begin with, I'm going to go to the App Store and look for the Neo Smart Blinds app. Now, once you've done searching it, you're going to see two options populate, and we're going to choose the top one, which is simply Neo Smart Blinds. Now, once you've downloaded it, you're going to go ahead and open up the application. It's going to take you to this screen. And you go to the bottom and click create account. And then on the top field, you're going to enter your email. The second field, you'll enter a password that's 6 characters or longer. Re-enter your password into the third field. And then enter your setup code. You're going to click the drop down and look for W3428. Next, click the button to agree to the Neo Smart Blind terms of service, then click create account below. Once you've done this, which I've already done ahead of time, I'll go ahead and back out to my main screen here, and you'll see at the top I've already entered my email. I'm going to put in my password. I'm going to go ahead and click login. And if you want to confirm you've got the correct password entered, you can hit this look button. And it's correct, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And it's showing to be logging in and working. And so now you come to this screen. And it's going to point out some basic requirements. One, that you'll need a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi with internet, that you have your Wi-Fi password ready, and that you're able to choose an optimal central point between your router and your motorized systems. And so once you've confirmed you've met the requirements, we're going to press start. Now the device I'm working with is the white second generation housing, which is the CR-R200 pictured in the top right. So I'm going to click that model, click choose. I'm going to make sure I've plugged it in, which I've done. And so I'm going to confirm on the bottom side or back side that I do have the blue blinking light. I'm going to click yes. Next. Next, I'm going to go to the settings of this iPhone and look for the Neo Smart Blinds Wi-Fi signal. So go to settings, turn on my Wi-Fi. And we see there it's already selected Neo Smart Blinds. So I go back to the app. Go back to the app there. Okay, now we've got the confirmation that it's connected to the Neo Smart Blind Hub. And we hit next. Next. In this window, it's looking for the Wi-Fi that's in the room. So I'm going to go ahead and click MBRAM, which is my hotspot off the phone. 210-463. Make sure that's correct. Yep. Press next. And now it's going to finish up, and you're going to see 4 lines, and as each requirement is fulfilled or updated, you're going to see a check off. And sometimes this is quick, sometimes it may take a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet service. And there we have it. It is on to the next step. Now at this point you can add additional control hubs, or you can go in and start adding your blinds to this hub and phone app. And so I'm going to go ahead and begin by naming this shade office, and then it is roller. Hit next, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a room. Now this phone app allows you to have up to 30 rooms with 8 motors per room, so that's a max capacity of 240 motors that you can operate off of your phone app. So I'm going to click add room. And I'm going to call this, let's call it a study. Okay. That's done, and that is done. Hit next. And so now we're at the pairing stage. The first option is to simply press the program button on the motor head once. Just press it and release. You're going to see the motor jiggle. Then you're going to press next. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to hit press next. Then I'm going to send a pairing signal. Okay. Now it shows that the blind has been added successfully, and I am done for now. And then you can simply test the functionality by pressing your directional buttons. And we have success.